Assalamu alaikum. This is Kechaoda and you are watching Grooming Logics. So today I have another phone uh, that is basically also known as car phone, and today I'm gonna unbox it and see what's inside the box and what feature it offer this phones offer to us. So beside the box, some of the specification are well, its name is uh, Kechaoda K116 Plus. The model name is K116 Plus, and number one, the first feature is 1.8 inches QQVGA screen and MTK 6261D chipset. The camera, it also have a camera, MP3 and MP4 support. It has a dual SIM. It has also has a dual SIM support and a Bluetooth version 2.1, and also uh, it support memory card. So, and this is a NOR SRAM. Static RAM is 32 plus 32 MBT. That is megabyte. So high energy polymer battery and Bluetooth dialer. So this is basically the box, and you can see this is the phone. Now just you have to peel this off and the phone is here, and the box is like this. So first you get the phone inside. This is the phone. Basically this is the phone. You can see a plus and a model number. Now it has come with a data cable. It can be charged from power bank, or you can connect it to some power brick or power adapter, or you can charge it from laptop. Well, I'm quite satisfied with its battery charging time. It charged within 20 to 30 minutes full, and it can last up to 1 day or 1.5 days. So I'm quite impressed with the battery timing and the charging timing. If we compare its charging time, that is 20 to 30 minutes, and it's spent 24 and more, 24 and a half hours, or 1.5 a day. So this is quite impressive with this one. So now let's boot this up. See, so this is basically boot animation. Yeah, so now the sim, you can put the sim here. The battery is non-removable, and you can just slide it off, and you can put your sims there. This is sim 1, this is sim 2, and this is basically a charging point. But above the charging point there is a slot for a memory card, SD card slot, and I'm not much sure about that, about how much it maximum memory supports. So this is basically the, so let's have a quick look at the user interface. So the option is a Bluetooth dialer. If you click that, so there's our option search for new device. You can the main feature of this mobile is that it can be connected with a smartphone through Bluetooth, and you can even dial calls through and make a call and make a Bluetooth call that will be redirected to the smartphone, and you will be using your smartphone SIM, but through Bluetooth you can connect it to your smartphone. So that's all. And yes, the camera, well, the camera quality is too much bad. Let me show you. The camera quality is too much bad. You can see it's a disaster type of camera quality. I mean, no issue, but according to the price point, that deserves to be such a camera. So this is I'll be posting its review very soon, and and its connectivity with other smartphones, that how it connect with the other smartphones. Till now, take care, bye bye, and this is Kechaoda, and you're watching Grooming Logics. Signing off. Thank you.